Alright, let me show you how to use the MMKG-RAG system. The UI has two main parts, multi-modal knowledge graph construction and retrieval-based Q&A. The system allows you to create multiple knowledge bases, each handling multiple files, saved as individual MMKGs. Let's create a new knowledge base called RAG. We'll upload the PDF files we need to process. We have two example PDFs, Graph RAG and Light RAG from archive. We also have pre-converted Markdown files available on our GitHub repository. We'll select these Markdown files. Next, we set parameters for the LLM to create the knowledge graph, including chunk size, overlap, and labels for entities and relationships. We'll use pre-prepared labels here. Then, we choose the language model, GPT-4o Mini. Click to start building, and the system will begin parsing the documents to construct the multimodal knowledge graph. You can check the progress at the top right or view detailed logs in the terminal. Let's wait a moment. Once completed, click this button to visualize the knowledge graph. You can also view it in Neo4j, showing both text and image entities. Now, let's go to the Retrieval Q&A page. Enter a question, and the system will search the knowledge graph to generate an answer. The page has three main sections: parameter settings, dialog box, and example input. First, select the RAG knowledge base we just created. Let's try the first question about TCP's three-way handshake and ask the LLM to illustrate it. This question doesn't require knowledge base retrieval. The LLM will respond directly after classifying the question. You can see the system has generated an answer with a diagram. Next, we'll try a second question about the architecture of Graph RAG from the example files, asking the LLM to provide a system architecture diagram. This requires knowledge base retrieval. Enter the question. The LLM will analyze the question and extract keywords for searching the knowledge graph. The system successfully generates an answer, explaining the Graph RAG architecture and referencing an image. The yellow area below shows retrieved entities, relationships, and related images. You can view the original Graph RAG document, confirming it's the system architecture diagram from the paper. Finally, let's try a third question comparing Graph RAG, Light RAG, and our MMKG-RAG. We input an image of the MMKG-RAG system architecture. Click Send, and the system begins generating an answer. It analyzes the question, identifies keywords, and now we wait for the response. The answer is ready, showing the system understood the input image and highlighted MMKG-RAG's features. It referenced Graph RAG's architecture diagram and introduced Light RAG with another image. We checked the original paper, confirming it's the Light RAG system architecture diagram. The summary concludes with a references section showing related entities, relationships, and images. Okay, that's all for the demonstration. Thank you for watching.